Well, good morning. I'm glad there was a little bit of a break between Bryce's example of Chevron giving $1 million check and me getting up here. Hopefully we can move quickly past that. But I am very encouraged, as I hope you are, when I hear from our elected officials about their interest and their energy in early childhood education. Because as Bryce has said, and as Representative Barker has said, we see on the private side, the private sector, the value of early childhood education. We know that on the economic development side, on having an adequate workforce, as has been said before, that early childhood education plays a key role in that. But we also know, Chevron, we know that from a personal standpoint. We're all Mississippians. We've lived through it. We've had generations through what Senator Wiggins was talking about the impression that people have of education in Mississippi. So both from a personal perspective and from a business perspective, we've really had an energy, if you will, about seeing what we can do to help improve early childhood education. And one way we saw that we could help was with all the things that were going on inside the classroom, could we help with somewhat of a broad-based coalition, a community-based coalition, to help with the learning environment, with the development environment of those kids, not just in the classroom, but in the community. And we were working with great folks that offered resources like the Mississippi State University Early Childhood Institute. We were able to put together resources. We were able to put together support that we were able to introduce. And we started with 4 pilot programs in Jackson County. Now, there's many ways to measure success. One way may be in participation. And when we started with those 4 pilot programs about 10 years ago, through the leadership of folks like our executive director, Mr. Bob Clay, I see him out there, if you'll raise your hand, Bob, and through other financial investors like MEC members, Huntington Ingalls, Mississippi Power, and Entergy, and through foundations like the Community Foundation for North Mississippi and the Walker Foundation, we have gone from those 4 pilot programs to 36 communities, both certified and candidate communities in the state of Mississippi in that 10-year period. So we're very excited for where we have gone. I would invite you to determine for yourself the success of these programs, because if there's 36 going from Corinth to Biloxi, there's odds are either your community or a community nearby you is actively involved in Excel by 5. So from Chevron's perspective and from, again, our co-sponsors, our co-investors, we want to thank Excel by 5. We want to thank you for what you've done for Mississippi. We want to thank you for helping influence economic development and the workforce by helping make sure our youngest citizens, 0 to 5, are happy, healthy, and ready to learn. Thank you.